My name is Leah Emkin, and H&A My Design designed my laundry room and my guest room. We loved working with Golan and H&A My Design. Golan and Amir would come over all the time after work, before work, just to check in on the job. Their guys were very respectful, and I felt like Golan and Amir were always incredibly responsive. What we really appreciated about how Golan does business is that he told us how long it would take and how much it would cost, and that was true. There was nothing extra. Yeah, we loved working with Golan, and Amir was the person who was assigned to our project, and he was so responsive. He was so nice. He came out, we were having some problems. He didn't have to do that. It was on a Sunday, and then as he's about to leave, Golan shows up. So we really felt like they were looking out for our family. I have already recommended it to someone else, and I would wholeheartedly recommend H&A My Design to any of my friends who are looking to have work done on their home.